Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to refresh the fronts of your hair. Okay, with jumbo box braids. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to wear this hairstyle for another week. Now I have already worn this hairstyle a week and a day. So let me show you guys what my hair looks like. As you can see, my hair is like loose. Now some rubber bands done popped off and everything. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. Here's the sides. So the braids that I will be redoing is these two right here, these two right here, and these two. Now the sides right here, I'm not going to redo because the sides look okay. Alright, so let me show you guys the back right quick, okay? Now the back looks okay. For now, the only thing that I will have to do just only spray some moisturizer spray. And I will show you guys what I use. So yeah, it looks okay. All I just need to do is just only get some gel and I'll brush it up. Then I'll be good to go. Alright, so I'm going to unravel this here. Now this is some old Easy Braid hair. I only worn this hair only one time. Alright, so I'm going to use this Olive Miracle African Pride Moisturizer Lotion. Going to spray it. I'm going to get my brush it a little bit. One rubber band. This is the gel that I'm using. Okay, so you can twist your hair back over or choose not to. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Put the hair on top. Let your hair in the middle. So you can reuse your braiding hair probably like 2 times and that's it. Next I have one more to braid. Okay, put it on top. Okay, your natural hair will be the middle. Then you twist the braided hair under your natural hair. Make your natural hair the third piece of hair. And start braiding. Alright, so you get the braiding hair. And put it right along with your natural hair. Alright, so when you get done with your hair, okay, make sure you moisturize your hair with some oil or some moisturizer lotion, whatever the case may be. Alright, so alright, so I'm going to get my spray. Then you get some gel. Okay, I think this one is okay. Okay. Alright, so got my moisturizer lotion. I'm going to spray it in the back. Now you can use some hair grease on it if you would like. Okay. Put it in a ponytail. Had 3 scrunchies. I'll come back and show you guys the finish look, okay? Alright, so this is the finished look. Alright, so let me show you guys what my hair is looking like. To the back. Alright, so this only took me about 5 to 7 minutes to do. Alright, so make sure you get you some oil sheen. Doesn't matter what kind of oil sheen you use. Alright, now, if your braids is like very old, and then all of them is loose, do not do this method, okay? But if you have like probably like 10 braids that are loose in the front or in the back, if it's like big like this, you know, so you can redo it. Like these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 in the front right here. But if it's like 4 in the back that needs to be, you know, braided, then do that. Just use this method, okay? Alright, so make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate you, all of you guys, okay? So, with that being said, you guys let me know what other hairstyles you want to see me do, okay? And I will make sure that I will do those videos for you guys. Alright, so, peace out.